Lakhain ko rahini sarupathar MSC constituency angkang ke ongdung adim MSC Kadom Terangpi arideng pen long e kesom padupon. Lesson C. Sarihajan Chariali Market Shed, construction of waiting shed at Sarihajan Chariali, Power Block Road, National Highway Thongke Brasir Cap 2, RJ via Maising Timung, Arong, boundary wall of cemetery ground, construction of Lore Sarpo Puja Shed, Pitiadong, construction of market shed, Wai Terang, adim pen kicheng lok penangan adim along long e ke sompon padupon, la pen kaduka wepang rumpet ten long krisi adim along e sompon lo. Adun thu jai mega long, board chairman Silarsun Rongpi Sarthi Terang, minority morcha Maipu, Dilip Rongphar, Mondal Chunbang, Kamal Be Mondal VP, Nursing Ronghang Mondal VP, Brilliant Terang ST Morcha Maipu, Kaphu Katharpi Mohila Morcha Maipi, Kasang Bepi Mohila Chunbang Pi, Mona Lisa Tisopi Kong Chunbang Pi, Dakiram Singnar Sokti Kendra, Raikom Terang ST Moratam Atum Chitong Dunsi RDP. Pinpur me Kadom Tang second phase CM public interaction hood kachichak pona tingsi chepapling ponopusi MSC Kadom Terangpi kachitong dun kadukawe arada thing nuklar dak wai sapen jai tikang. Adun thu Kevangjilang MLA kilik ahud kadukawe cherap chetudun si ongdung award pen kapahai pon thekji aphan kachetong dun arada tumaphan ninga klong pen kachuning ri padotekang thu. Sangtihi dipen presenterang Karbin Nonglai.